I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today guys is an open invitation video. I'm teaming up again with my sweet friend Shule from My Style, My Colours. If you haven't checked out her channel, please go do so. I'll leave that link down below. Now the rules guys are really simple. Glam up an item in your home for either winter or Christmas and show us how you styled it. You can glam it up by using any metallic colour of your choice, either paint, glitter, rhinestones. Just make your project sparkle. Mention both mine and Shule's channels and subscribe, and also leave links to our channels in your description box. Use the hashtag GlamUpYourStashWinter2020 in your title. Upload your video on the 12th of November at 1 PM British time. So that's it guys, Shule and I would truly love for you to participate. I'll leave all the rules in the description box down below. So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.